Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size Happy Planner horizontal layout that I use for journaling. We're going to use these new Frosty Day stickers that are now available in my shop at pleasantlyplanned.com. All stickers are automatically 50% off. You do not need a discount code or anything to save. I am going to flip this off camera because I don't think that I took my personal journal off. I did not. Okay, so let me pull these pages out. All right, so we're going to do this for the 18th through the 24th, and we're going to use these adorable stickers. So let's see where we can start. And right off the bat, I think I want to use big stickers. So we're going to do these books up here. I am going to grab my crocodile punch and go ahead and punch off or punch out the holes that I just covered up. So let's do that. I'm having to hold this off camera because I do have some other journal stuff written already on the back side. Okay, now let's take, I really think that I want to kind of do decor, and maybe box. I don't know. Let's just try something different this time. Let's try to put these little hands with the hot cocoa above Wednesday. Love it. And then what else can we do? We can put the basket. The basket is crooked, but it's okay. It'll be okay. And then what else can we take? Decisions. I think we're going to take the little socks and put those over here. Okay, what is that? Washi. I am going to use my grid washi too with this spread. We'll see kind of how that works out. Now, I think I want to go this way, and this way on this one. So I'm going to take the rocking chair and put down at the bottom since it is so big. We'll just go ahead and put that down first. Okay. And then we need something to go here. So I think we'll do this little sticker here. Something to go up here. I think I'm going to do the blankets. And then we're going to do the cat. I'm going to attempt to put the cat under Friday and hope that it doesn't cover Friday. But if it does, I think it'll be okay. Let's try the little kitty cat. Yeah, oops. I think I'm going to cut some of it off though. Like cut the bottom straight across. Like that. Look how cute that is already. I love it. Okay. So now what I think I'm going to do is place some boxes, I think. So let's take, I don't know. This is going to be tricky. Let's maybe take this box and put here. And then maybe one of these boxes and kind of put down here. All right, and then take this box and just kind of put here. Love it. All right, now we can do, I think we're going to put Hello Cold Days right here. I don't need a whole lot of room to write. I just like to do a little blurb about each day. This box I can actually write quite a bit in, and I would actually start writing here, go over on this side, and then down. So I still have plenty of room to write on these days. All right, and now let's see what we can do box-wise on this side. So I think I'm going to maybe take, kind of come here with this one. And then maybe over here with this one. And then I think we'll use this last long vertical brown box to just kind of go down here. Okay. And then let's maybe put a quote up top here. So I think I want to use Cold Hands, Warm Heart. Right there. All right, love it already. And then I just want to put in some of my washi. So let's just rip it down the middle and kind of use it ripped in just some sporadic places and see kind of what it looks like. So like we'll put some here. Cut this off on the edge so that it's flush with the line on the paper. And then maybe a little bit right here. Put a little bit right here. I don't know why, but it seems like I'm finding the horizontal layout easier for me to decorate than the dashboard layout. That's really odd for me because dashboard layout is my OG planner. That's really cute. I think I kind of need to cut this at a diagonal because I don't have like any flat thing to touch it with. So let's just see what we got here now. I think we're going to do opposites on this side. So this is turning out to be a really cute spread. I think we're going to go almost all the way. Even though that quote's down there, it's okay. We're not going to worry about that quote. All right, and then let's cut some more of this in half. Oops. I didn't do that very well. I do not like the way I cut this. It's very short, and I don't like that. So let's go with this piece. And this piece, we're going to start over here and go all the way to the edge. Okay. And then we're going to put some here I'm going to have to probably rip another piece because I ripped that other piece too short. Let's hope I can do this one better. Well, I just ripped that one in half. It sticks to my fingers and it makes it hard to pull. Okay, so now let's go here. And just kind of rip that diagonally. And then we'll cut this edge off and do one more piece, and then I think we'll be done. So it's going to be a very small piece over here. All right, let's see what it looks like. Look how cute it is. I love it. It's adorable. It looks very cozy, doesn't it? It looks very cozy to me. All right, so let's put it back in my planner. I'm going to do that off camera real quick. Just kind of at least this left page, because I did write in my journal all week. I did really well about writing in it. So there we go. All right, look how cute this is on my discs. The gold discs look really, really good with all the decorative stickers. So yeah. All right, y'all, let me know down in the comments below if you like my new winter stickers. Don't forget to head over to my website, pleasantlyplanned.com, and grab yours while they're still 50% off. You don't need a code to save 50% off. So yeah, that is it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.